Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new here. So my name is Kelsey and I teach you how to do makeup looks. Today's tutorial video, we are creating this look, recreation of Beauty by Carrie's eye look that she posted on Instagram the other day. If you want to see how to create this fun neon eye look, then keep watching. Today we are recreating Beauty by Carrie's look. Put the picture right here. Let's get on to it. Once again, I'm going to go in the Milk Makeup Grip Eye Primer. Just put this all over your eye. I love this stuff. I'm just tapping it with my middle finger. Just very lightly tapping it. As you can see, like, the middle part of the eye look is shimmery. We're going to actually use the Kelsey palette. This is the 4-color eyeshadow quad in the palette Caribbean Sea, or Caribbean Sea, however you want to pronounce that. I'm just going to use this light shimmery shade in here. I'm just going to use my finger because it's easy to apply. Quickly, I'm going to use a smaller detailed brush. I'm going in with the Fair 205 Fly Radius brush. I'm just putting some white on the edge of that. I'm just taking it, applying it to the inner corner there where I took it approximately with my finger. We're ready to the eyeliner. So I'm using the Kelsey GV16 brush, which is a small detailed brush. In the lid of one of the liners, I'm using the purple liner to put the water. I'm going to put a little bit of water into the lid. Just a little bit. You don't need too much. I always do too much. Less than halfway is definitely sufficient for the amount of water you need. This eye is done. I'm going to start with the orange from Kelsey Beauty in the shade Hot Pants. And I'm just going to apply that on top of my eye. I have water on my brush. And I have my mirror here because, you know, when you do liner, you gotta get up close and personal. Right now I'm just applying to make, like, going around my eyeball. And then we'll do, like, the detailed work in a minute. I'm gonna bring it out to, like, a little bit before my eyebrow ends. Just like I did on the other side. I'm going to make this point smaller because it stops here. And at this point, I'm going to kind of make this part a little larger as I did on the other side. This isn't the same color as Carrie. I thought it was, but it's not. It's pretty close, but not the same. Not the same color, but I'm not mad about it. Then I'm going to bring it and focus on the outside here now. Just bring it down. Thicken it again. I'm just going to go in again and try to darken everything up. Go into the green shade. This is from Bella and the White collection, 2 ends. Green tea shade. This is your white neon, or close to neon green that I had. I thought I had another one. Turned out to be a pigment, so that didn't work out too well. I'm going to start on the outside, work my way in, doing like little brush strokes. I'm creating the wing. I'm going to take it all the way over there. I always have to lift the brows. And then we're going to start the top of the look. So I'm going to start over here and then work out. So this is just take your time, steady, relax. Lift the brows. I'm just going lightly, just in case anything messes up. As you can see, I connected them on the sides. Now I'm going to darken up that line in the face right there. I'm just taking my nail and just swishing it so that way it's more of a defined line there. Sometimes you mess up, so that's fine. Take your time. Seriously, just make sure to hold your brush like middle to the end of the brush handle. It gives you more control, which I know is surprising because I definitely thought it was the other way around. Make sure when you do these liners, don't now I'm just perfecting the line here. Clean off the brush, just follow it around in the wire, wipe it off the excess on the side. The next thing we're going with is the yellow, raising the Kelsey Beauty crop top, making like a triangle, following from your edge here, wash line out, maybe just a little bit, and then you bring it down from the liner. It's just a little something that makes it pop. I went a little too far. I'm wiping off with my fingernail. And I'm just making sure it's coated pretty well. Now all we have left to do here, folks, is the purple dots. One goes here, and then one goes down there. I'm gonna do a purple on this side. I get it very close to the wire. I'm gonna go back into the orange shade and just fix up the top of it. Look back and I'll finish up the look entirely. Here is what we are working with right now. So in the photo, Beauty Carrie doesn't have much on her under eyes. She has black liner here on the waterline. I did the waterline and tight line as well on my top lid. She has a little bit of shimmer and closer to the inner corner, so we're going to add that now. We're using that same white shade that we used at the beginning. I'm just adding that close to the inner corner. Just brighten it up a little bit. I'm taking the new golden palette from ColourPop, using the shade Rum Season. Glittery shade. Just lightly want to pat that into the eye here. Just make it a little bit more shimmery. Make it look more like Carrie's does. On the eye, we're taking the golden palette still and middle in with Cruise. And I just applied it on the outside. It kind of matches my skin, but it's not super bold either. I'm going to do my bum lashes with the Rare Beauty mascara. I already started the lip look. I'm using the Rare Beauty lip souffle in the shade Fearless. I'm just lining the lips. I already started on the side. I'm going in with the Rare Beauty lip balm in nearly neutral. Just applying it to the rest of my lip. This is the final look of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial or the look for today. Fun, different, you know, just something wild and out there. Sometimes it's fun to do a little look that's different. I really like this look. It's really easy, even though it kind of looks hard to create. It's pretty easy look to recreate. So if you recreate this look, make sure to tag me in it on Instagram. I'll leave all my stuff on the screen here. That is all I have for you guys today. Be true, be you, be beautiful. Kelsey signing off.